Namaskar. My name is Ankit Bantia and I'm a faculty at EduShaw School. Today we will want to evaluate why online education versus offline education. In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, all the educational institutes have had no option but to go the online way. Today we evaluate whether this online medium is it not a blessing in disguise that we have a means to communicate with all the students if not in the face-to-face fashion. Let's actually see where we are in the online space in India. Today, nearly 30 lakh Indians are enrolled in fully online programs, and about 60 lakh Indians are doing at least one online program to actually complete their degree. Online education has clearly become one of the most popular higher education alternatives in India. The continually improving reputation of online learning helped fuel its expansion. As initial skeptics have faltered in the face of evidence that online education is just as effective as face to face education, right? Let's actually see a few factors. Some of them are actually in front of you. First one, variety and better options. Today, actually sitting anywhere in the country, be it a Vishakhapatnam or a Calcutta or a Bangalore, you can actually study from the best teacher in Delhi or in Bombay, right? From nursing to neuroscience, any of these courses can be learned in the online mode, if not in your backyard. Today, fully online education degrees are acceptable everywhere across the world, not only in the top colleges of the world, but also the corporates. You save on your travel time. Students can actually listen to lectures anywhere, be it a metro, be it their home. They can actually submit assignments anywhere electronically. You don't have to fight the traffic in your city. Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, Bangalore, Hyderabad, all these cities, the traffic is pretty bad. Why do you want to be stuck in traffic 2 hours to go to a college or a coaching? Does not make any sense. And you miss out on your important family time as well. Classes today can be taken from anywhere, absolutely anywhere. So why do you want to travel? Thirdly, better concentration. Most of the US, universities have actually reported that online classes have actually shown better, receptibility for the student. There is no classroom, distraction. Someone is talking with the other person, someone is actually playing on their mobile phone. There is no classroom distraction unless and until you are the distractor. Okay. So all these teachers have actually reported better concentration levels for a student in online class. Try to think about this. Better grades. Various, colleges have actually said that the same course was given to two set of people. One in the only online mode, one in the face-to-face interaction mode. Believe it or not, the only online mode, the students have actually performed either same or better in their grades in an entire course. Can you believe it? And in all the standardized examinations taken online, all these only online people have outperformed by a huge margin the face-to-face candidates or the traditional classroom learning students. Better interaction. For a shy student who can't actually ask, questions in class, I was a I was a shy, student. I never used to ask questions in class. I can ask all my questions now in the online mode. So much easier. I don't have to feel shy. I can actually type it in the chat box. I don't have to speak, right? Now you don't get lost in a crowded classroom. That's a huge advantage. Improvement in the technical skills. Today, many students are coming up to me saying that, sir, online education is not for me. The reason underlying, most of these is they are not very tech savvy. They don't like to use technology. Please try and understand that if you will not change, the environment will be changing you at some point or the other. Believe it or not, each and every business is going online. Each and every corporate has already gone online. All the reporting everywhere across the world, all the meetings everywhere across the world are now happening online. So you will no longer have any option but to go online. So you have to be tech savvy. So take this as an opportunity to become more tech savvy so that in the future, when you go into a corporate job, you are actually well prepared. Now let's go into the online classes material advantages. If you have a college or you have a regular class or a face-to-face interaction, it can only happen at a prescribed time. Like your college will always happen at a 9 to 4 or a 9 to 3 or a 9 to 5. So you as a student had to organize your entire life around that 9 to 4 college. Today, because of online material and classes, you can now arrange your education around your life because the material is accessible at any point of time, be it 1 o'clock at night or 1 o'clock in the day. You can actually see the entire online material of your online classes at any point of time. That is huge flexibility in time. So hope to see many of you face to face in an online class. All the best. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and be well.